Students, come back to our class. As I already told you, the electronic configuration of chromium is somewhat different. So here at last, if you look at a chromium electronic configuration, at last instead of 4s2 3d4, actually in chromium configuration 4s2 3d4 should come. Instead of 4s2 3d4, the correct configuration of chromium will be 4s1 3d5 at last. Why? Because in chromium one electron jumps from 4s to 3d4. Okay, when one electron jumps from 4s to 3d4, then configuration becomes like 4s1 3d5. So here, by shifting one electron from 4s to 3d4, chromium gets off field d orbital. Chromium gets off field d orbital. So this off field, the presence of off field d orbital gives more stability to the chromium. So instead of 4s2 3d4, at last we write 4s1 3d5. So this is correct configuration and this is wrong configuration. Clear? Now coming to manganese. Manganese onward, the configuration follows as it is, energy order. Okay, so manganese atomic number 25 configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3p after 4s will come, 4s after 3d. So in manganese 3d is filled with 5 electrons. Okay, shell configuration 2 comma 8 comma 13 comma 2. Okay, now coming to iron. Iron atomic number 26, it contains 26 electrons. Configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3p after 4s2 4s after 3d. Up to 10 electrons you can arrange in d orbital. Okay, shell configuration will be 2 comma 8 comma 14 comma 2. That means what? K contains 2 electrons, L contains 8 electrons, M contains 14, N contains 4s belongs to N contains 2 electrons. Clear? Now coming to cobalt. Cobalt atomic number 27, configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3p after 4s belongs to N, 3d 7. Okay, total 27 electrons. Shell configuration 2 comma 8 comma 15 comma 2. Clear? So this is cobalt configuration. Now coming to nickel. Nickel atomic number 28, configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3p after 4s2 3d8. Shell configuration 2 comma 8 comma 16 comma 2. Clear? Now copper. Remember that again, copper is exceptional case. Chromium, copper, both the configurations are different. So why chromium configuration is different? I told you. Why? Because in chromium, half field d orbital is possible by shifting one electron from 4s to 3d4. When one electron is shifted from 4s to 3d4, chromium gets half field d orbital. In chromium, 4s1 3d5. 3d5 means half field d orbital. So this half field d orbital gives extra stability to the chromium. Clear? So in the same way, the configuration of copper is different. Okay, configuration of copper is different when compared to other elements. Okay, why configuration of copper is different, I will tell you. Okay, so the copper atomic number is 29. The atomic number of copper is 29. Configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6. At last, the actual configuration of copper should be 4s2 3d9. Okay, actually at last of chromium, 4s2 3d9 configuration should come. Okay, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 over. Okay, till here same. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 till here same. At last, configuration 4s2 3d9 should come. Okay, actual configuration should be like this, 4s2 3d9. But in copper, one electron is shifted from 4s to 3d9. In copper, at last one electron is shifted from 4s to 3d9. So after shifting one electron from 4s to 3d, then configuration becomes 4s1 3d10. 3d10 means what? full-filled configuration. 4s1 3d10 means what? 3d10 means what? Full-filled configuration. In copper, full-filled configuration is possible when one electron is shifted from 4s to 3d9. When one electron is shifted from 4s to 3d9, then configuration becomes 4s1 3d10. Here d10 means what? Full-filled d orbital. This full-filled d orbital gives more stability to the copper. In copper, full-filled d orbital is possible by shifting one electron from 4s to 3d9. In chromium, off-filled d orbital is possible by shifting one electron from 4s to 3d4. In chromium, off-filled d orbital is possible. In copper, full-filled d orbital is possible. Clear? So instead of 4s to 3d9, the configuration will be 4s1 3d10. 4s1 3d10. The shell configuration is 2, 8, 18, 1. Next, zinc. Zinc atomic number 30. Configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. Shell configuration 2, 8, 18, 2. Okay, clear? So this is zinc configuration. You try to remember how to write electronic configuration from scandium to zinc. So this is most important. Okay, now I will say why electronic configuration of chromium and copper different. These two configurations are called as anomalous configuration. Anomalous configuration. Okay, now let me tell the reason why electronic configuration of chromium and copper different. So first, chromium. The atomic number of chromium is 24. You all know that. Already we have written configuration. Once again I am telling you. The atomic number of chromium is 24. Wrong electronic configuration I am writing here. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. The electronic configuration of chromium should be like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. This is wrong configuration. I have written. This is wrong configuration. Remember. Here, instead of 4s2, 3d4, the correct configuration of chromium will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. So this is correct configuration. How will you get this configuration? I will say the reason. Why? Because any element with off-filled d orbital or full-filled d orbital, any element with off-filled d orbital or full-filled d orbital, that element is said to be more stable. Off-filled d orbital means d orbital with 5 electrons. If d orbital contains 5 electrons, then it is said to be off-filled d orbital. If d orbital contains 10 electrons, then it is said to be full-filled. Off-filled means d5, full-filled means d10. Okay, clear? Any element with off-filled d orbital or full-filled d orbital, then it is said to be more stable. So in chromium, off-filled d orbital is possible by shifting one electron from 4s to 3d4. In chromium, one electron is shifted from 4s to 3d4, then configuration becomes 4s1 3d5, so that chromium gets off-filled d orbital. That's why chromium has more stability by achieving 4s1 3d5 configuration. Clear? So the presence of off-filled d orbital or full-filled d orbital. In chromium, off-filled d orbital is possible. The presence of off-filled d orbital or full-filled d orbital gives extra stability to the atom. So here chromium gets extra stability due to the presence of off-filled d orbital. In chromium, off-filled d orbital is possible by shifting one electron from 4s to 3d, and the actual configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. At last 4s1 3d5 comes. This 3d5 configuration is off-filled configuration, off-filled d orbital. This gives more stability to the chromium. This is the reason why the electronic configuration of chromium is different. Chromium configuration is also called as